Cultural Center Station. Please mind the gap between train and
Bangkok
platform.
MRT and Chile. It's exercising. Got to make best use of your time when you're a fitness freak. Just walking to Chatuchak market, which is about 100 meters away. But everywhere you go, stuff is being sold anyway. But you need to get your haggling shoes on. It's all about the haggle here. Nothing's the first price, that's for sure. Chatuchak market, busy, very busy. Not just Tilly. Me and Nana are sharing sausage. I love their sausage. Oh. Make it burp like a good one. Aprons, quality handmade aprons. Well, they were. Good luck.
No mix, just plain.
What are the skulls like, Tilly? The skull's cool. And there's a big indoor section, which is where we are now. I think this is pretty much an all-day affair. Anything you're going to get out of here in a couple of hours, unless you just keep shopping. Yeah, but there were row upon row upon row upon row upon row upon row upon row of stalls. There's no way you can do this in a day. This is probably a lifetime's work to map this place. So come here, be prepared to spend all your money. Let's go. This man is running this little restaurant. I think that's outside. Trying to fit people late evening on Friday, Saturday. On Saturday, you saw us last at the market, Chatuchak market. Well, by around 1 o'clock we were all absolutely worn out, and we're back to the hotel. And most of us just collapsed. A few of them were watching Lord of the Rings. I collapsed into a heap of sleep, said to my wife. So for the evening, there's only 4 of us. Then there were 4. My wife's tucked up, still in bed. We're doing her a takeaway, and we're back at the Mexican place, Sunrise Tacos, because frankly, it's the best Mexican I've had since I was last in Las Vegas. I don't think anywhere's come close.
When you're in a restaurant. Not really in any kind of way.
Stefan's a lover, not a fighter, Tills. His job is to save the world, not kill it. Lovely mango smoothie.
Really weird. It's kind of
Got hints of cinnamon. So do those are pies.
Yes, they do.
Yes, they do.
See, you can't win.
It doesn't mean it doesn't, have it?